Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today in mm2 I'm going to be opening 50 summer boxes and hopefully getting the new Ice Cream Godly. I'll put an image up on screen. But yeah, so I'm going to be buying 50 boxes. So also, as you can see, I can only afford 6. I've already got cherries 2 times, and also anything I get of extra I will give away. So let's go for my first box. Oh, yes, I really wanted tourist. Okay. Duckies, okay. So far, no repeats. This is doing well. Oh, I really wanted this one as well. Sorry guys, I just want them all. Oh, I got the bubbly knife effect. Oh, I haven't got that one as well. Sorry. So I've gotten that one. So I've gotten tourist, sand, cherries. So I've gotten everyone but sand on the first row. Okay, give me sand. No, but I'll take sunset. Okay, last box before I have to start buying gems. Okay, my first repeat so far. I'm gonna buy I'm gonna buy 700 gems. Okay. Okay, I got innocent, but I need to go back to opening boxes. Oh, tourist again. Oh, the legendary. Okay, this is good so far. Oh, tourist again. But obviously, you know, I am going to get to. Oh, I got the RC car. Oh, I'll try that out. Oops, I went and opened another one. Oh, I wanted sand. Okay, let me take out my toys. Oh my god, that is actually so cool. Obviously, I can't drive it very well yet. Ooh, floral, that was new. Okay, that was a repeat. Okay, that was also a repeat. Yes, finally I got sand. Okay, so I think I just need pier. And then I have all of them besides, obviously, for the good ones. I think. Yeah. Come on, give me pier. No, but... Okay. I'll take it. Turtles again. Oh, I need to buy more gems. Oh, I got the... Oops. I got the effect. I'll have to check that out in a minute. Okay, and I died. I'm just gonna keep going. I haven't even seen the godly, mind you. Obviously, I would love to get the godly, but I'm okay if I don't. Yes, I got pier. Finally, that was the last one I needed. Oh my god, I just saw the ice cream. Did you guys see that? You know, that's my good luck sign. If I open all these boxes, there's only a 10% chance that I even get it. So obviously the chances are very small. Oh. Okay. Come on. And the chat is just full with me opening boxes. Okay, I've not seen the ice cream in a while yet. Does Nicholas want to give me the ice cream? I think I just saw it. I'm not sure though. Okay. I've unboxed 30 boxes so far. Knowing my luck, tomorrow when I'm not recording and I get the 120 seashells, I'll open my first box, and I'll get ice cream. First try. Okay, I got this again. At least I can still kind of play when I open a box. Oh, I'm down to less than 1,000 gems. All I can see is sand. Yeah, it's not the good sunset, sadly. I just want to speedrun this. Like 11 more boxes. If I don't get it, then I will. I think I've gotten duplicates of like everything. Obviously, besides the godlies. I think I might have unboxed 51 boxes. But obviously I'm not sure. Not so far, but like in total. Yesterday I was just doing the math in my head. Because I also bought the godly. I'll have that at the end. Buying the godly set. Oh, I died. After this I'm down to my last 3 boxes. Oh. Second last box. Well, I think it's safe to say... Oh my god, I saw the ice cream. Okay, well I think it's safe to say I will not be getting the ice cream. Okay. Well, that was a waste of like 2,000 Robux. Oh well. At least I kind of got some stuff in my inventory because my inventory was doing very bad. 10 duckies. Okay, well if you guys want any of the duplicates, I will be giving away all of the duplicates. Just comment down your username and say what one you would like, and I'll do and I'll raffle them off. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Oh, actually, sorry. I'll show the clip of me buying the godlies. I was obviously going to pick the godlies over the box, but now I have a lovely 40 Robux. But I mean, I can always buy some more gift cards. Oh, I died first, of course. But I'll probably just make a short if I get any more Robux trying to unbox the godly. But yeah. Well, at least I got all the bad ones. Also, I love the new godly set. But anyways, I'll roll the clip and I'll voice over it. Okay, and I'm going to be buying the godly now. This was actually from yesterday. But yeah, it's very pricey, but thankfully I get 10% off. And I really did not want to get the chromas because I don't like them. Roblox wanted me to verify that it was me. But no, I actually do not like the chromas. I think they look kind of ugly. But anyways, I got it. I love beachy and sand. Anyways, I'll do a little showcase. That's all for today's video. Bye!